Hey guys, Mike Builds. Welcome back. Today we're going to be testing this PowerSmart self-propelled push mower. This thing's powered by a 170cc four-stroke engine, self-propelled, 22-inch cutting swath. It's a 3-in-1, so it's a mulcher. What's the other two things? It does mows and it discharges, I guess. Is that the three things?
And pressure washes.
This is by a company called PowerSmart. We're going to be testing this thing out. As you guys can see, there's tons of tall grass around us, and we've needed a mower to use out here for a long time, so this is going to be our candidate to do that with. So we're going to unbox this thing, set it all up, and do some testing with it. So let's get this thing open and see what it comes with in the box. All right, you get your oil, spark plug tool, a funnel, and some clips. Thing's actually pretty nice. Get your bag if you're going to bag your grass up. Very nice. And the actual mower itself. Here's what the underneath looks like. It's got a belt drive to drive the rear wheels. That's very nice. Looks all good from here. I'll edit all that out. I'll make it look way smoother in the video.
Sure. We'll fix it in post, right?
All right, in order to put the mower together, it's very simple. It's got these quick release handles. So we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of tension on these and fold them to just like that. Pretty simple.
That's really nice.
No tools required. So you get your self-propelled handle and then your blade stop. So you gotta hold both of these if you wanna make it go and mow. Tighten these guys up right here. As far as what you got down here, you got your oil level right here. So we're gonna throw some oil in this thing, your pull start obviously. We're actually gonna run this up to right here. Just like that. This is gonna be your adjustment for your height. So that's the lowest you can go, and then that's the highest you can go. Throw the gas cap on. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put that on. Nice. Here's your little air filter. Pretty simple. That's it. I mean, it looks like a pretty good lawnmower. Steel deck, nothing really crazy. Oh yeah, we can open this part. You can take this, yeah, this is your mulching attachment. So you stick this in a mulch and then you pull it out if you want a bag. So we're gonna keep it on mulch, I guess. Because I don't have like a chute.
Discharge chute? I think you put it back.
All right, so we're gonna get this thing oiled up, fueled up, and see if it fires up. So we're gonna use our PowerSmart brand 10W30 oil for break-in. Even came with a funnel, nice. Comes with a knife. No oil, so don't try to start this without putting your Earl in there.
There you go.
That just sticks in there. I'm sure that'll never come out. All right, looks like a 1/20th of a gallon of gas. All right, we're gonna go ahead and prime this thing with the gas now in it. I don't know if it's creating a seal because of my glove. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna see how many pulls it takes to get this thing to start. Okay, that's one. Oh, yeah! All right, guys, this thing did pretty good. I wasn't able to actually stall it, even cutting crazy high grass. Keep in mind, this is a residential style mower. This is not made to cut a huge field that requires a brush hog. We are mainly gonna use this out here at our rural property, kind of trim around our conics and just kind of clean up our common areas. I think this thing's gonna be a real good workhorse, and we're definitely gonna put it through its paces. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you guys are using PowerSmart equipment, let me know what kind of luck you guys have had. And that's probably gonna do it for now. Thank y'all for watching. Did I forget anything?